Hi. Hey guys, so Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I like every single shadow in here. I don't like the brush that's in here. I really like Cabana. I think that's a really cool toned, not cool like the color, but cool like dope toned brown color. It's like a mustardy yellow brown. Sorry if it looks like I'm sweating, by the way. I just put on a setting spray and it's drying, and I always douse my face. So I really like all these colors. I really like the shimmers. The mattes blend nicely. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I don't really have much else to say about it because it was a good palette. And what do you want from me? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and I hope you subscribe. Bye. So I edited this last night, and I'm really watching this for the first time with you guys. So if I forget which look we're on, please forgive me, because I already forget which look we're on. I really do like this palette. I think it's nice that Anastasia went outside of their usual neutral scheme. I really, really enjoy the colors in here. Packed full of pigments, you know, ensuring that you have... Oh, and by the way, that white is comparable to Sugar Pill Taco, in my opinion. That white is one of the whitest colors I've used in a long time. So I really, really like that. Once again, I don't edit the eyeshadow. I just edit around the eye. The skin, I kind of just blank it out so you can't see any of my freckles or any veins or anything, because this is focused on the actual shadow. I really liked the purple as well. I thought that was a really nice color. Honestly, I'm gonna be repeating myself a lot because I really liked every single one of the shadows. So there's only so much that someone can say. You know what I mean? I know some people might be like, where's the wrapping? Because I didn't wrap in this video when I usually spit hard-ass, you know, rhymes and shit like that. So in between these videos, I was like really crying. So it was like kind of hard for me to spit tough shit. And I sound like I'm making light of it, but that's because you have to stay joking to move on, but whatevers. So that color there, it's like a mustard brown color, like a Dijon color almost. Very cool. I thought that was very unique, not something I see often. The brown's nice, of course. They always have nice browns. And then the gold shimmer that I put on my lid here is so nice. So nice. I absolutely love it. This ended up being one of my favorites. I like that peach color too. Once again, I like all of them. How's everyone doing? I hate when people say that in their videos, but I actually like interacting with my friends that follow me. This one I just did the typical blue on the lid and a kind of like a warm in the crease, like some people do. The blue is really nice too. It has a nice shift to it. And the pink shimmer has like a kind of a iridescent blue almost, but it's not very noticeable. Like, you have to look, which makes it kind of interesting. So when I want a pink shimmer, I can go for it, but have just a little extra flair to the look. I hope that makes sense. I hope my hair is not distracting anyone. It's getting longer and longer. It's down to like the middle of my butt now. As you can see, that white is very stark white. I really like it. And then using a peachy shade in the crease. I always do a couple neutral, couple colorful, and then a couple for like people who don't want to wear a lot of makeup, or like this to me is like so simple. Chuck it in the crease, go. I like to make this stuff easy, you know that. Well, if you've watched my videos, you know that. But I don't like to complicate things. And I don't like super complicated looks because people don't do them in their daily basis. And I want to give you guys color inspiration. That's why not all of these are perfectly blended, because I'm not spending 3 hours doing my makeup. If you want something where I'm spending a lot of time doing my makeup, go look at my Get Ready With Me videos, or any tutorial where I do my face makeup, because that's when I'm spending a lot of time on the look. I think we're coming close to the end. The recording thing is like right in front of the video, so I can hardly see what's happening. Oh, this was like a grungy look. I think this is the second last one. I'm not sure. I think so. Because the next one should be like a pink with blue on the lid. Yes, it is. Purple and pink with blue on the lid. So I will let you guys watch the rest of this video in peace. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you share my video. I really hope you like my video. These are a lot of work. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.